Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking for yet another cleaning video. I'm excited to have you. I hope you enjoy this one.
If I walk to the sea, baby, I never say for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me. For I've loved and I have died. Drove down to abyss while I blame the world's neglect. Then I shine right back So I'll hold back, and you should know that no God was never gone, just like the grass. So I'll go back, oh would have got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets.
I started off in my girl's room. I only clean here on a weekend or maybe once in a while. The other days they can manage because if I clean after them all the time, then I don't know what kind of women I would be raising. So I come in here, to give it the mommy touch once in a while. And they're always excited when I help. And now I'm in the hallway or corridor like we normally call it here. This place has the most traffic in my house. It always has tea spills or somebody poured juice as they were moving or maybe to their bedrooms. Believe me, you don't want to pass in my corridor when you finish to bathe because it's always sticky. And remember when I put this table here, for a lack of better word to call it, the kids' books are now easier for them to access other than where we kept them before. I also keep some of my clean rags on this table. This was after lunch. I'm now in the kitchen. I changed my veil. The other one was slippery. I washed the dishes off camera and I'm drying them to their respective places. I will clean the sink. I enjoy a shiny sink. It gives me so much joy every time I pass by my kitchen and the sink is free from all the dirty dishes and it is clean. If you are still here and enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I will gladly get back to you. I made porridge yesterday and it poured here, but I wasn't ready to clean it up, so it stayed here for a night up until now, but it was a hassle to get it off. I poured water on it to soften it up. I had to get a knife because it had stuck there, but I finally got it off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gives you some sort of motivation in case you need to get things done around your home. Until next time, inshallah, God bless you. Stay safe. Bye.
If I walk to the sea, baby, I never say